Have you lost an iPhone or have broken one and have upgraded to new iPhone, but when you install WhatsApp on new iPhone, your old WhatsApp data is gone. You can't restore WhatsApp data from old iPhone. What to do in this situation? Well, there is a solution and that's what I am going to share with you all in this video. So watch the video full and follow the steps to know how to restore WhatsApp from iCloud backup. Well, not just that, I will also share how to recover WhatsApp view once messages. Hey folks, welcome from W Business back to another video, and today I wanna show you all how to restore WhatsApp data from iCloud backup. Using this method, you can not just restore WhatsApp data but can also select chats and data that you want to restore. Well, not just that, you can also preview your WhatsApp chats before you restore them to device or computer. Wow, seems insane, right? Well, without wasting much time, let's get started to know how to restore WhatsApp data from iCloud backup. And for that, we will be using iToolab WatsGo. Simply follow the link in the description and pinned comment to visit iToolab WatsGo official website. First, iToolab WatsGo is the best data transfer tool that can help to transfer data across devices from Android to iPhone, iPhone to Android, Android to Android, and iPhone to iPhone. Not only this, the latest update allows you to access, preview, and restore WhatsApp data from iCloud that we will be using in this video. Now to download iToolab WatsGo, simply click free download. It starts downloading, and once iToolab WatsGo free download completes, click on it to start with installation process. Follow the steps to complete installation, and once done, click on this. Here we have iToolab WatsGo with all its features and capabilities. We can use it to transfer WhatsApp messages across devices, can backup WhatsApp to computer, preview WhatsApp backup data and restore to device, restore WhatsApp from iCloud, restore WhatsApp backup from Google Drive. We can also use it for WhatsApp Business and GB WhatsApp. Not only this, it also offers recovery features like recover WhatsApp data from iCloud Drive, recover WhatsApp data from Google Drive, recover WhatsApp View Once messages, recover data from Android device, and recover data from iOS device. Now let's get started to know how to use iToolab WatsGo to restore WhatsApp data from iCloud backup. And for that, here we are back on iToolab WatsGo. Here click on restore WhatsApp from iCloud. Now as we are using a trial version, it comes up with a pop-up to buy a plan to complete restore process. Simply click on buy now and this opens up browser with iToolab WatsGo official website. Here we can choose any of these plans as per our requirement, and once purchase is completed, come back to iToolab WatsGo. Now click register and then log in using email and registration code that you will get after completing the purchase. Next, we will be required to sign into our iCloud account. Log in using your Apple ID and password. Once logged in, WhatsApp will start loading WhatsApp backups from iCloud. It may take some time depending on your backup size and internet. Give it some time and once done, here it shows different WhatsApp backup data from iCloud. Simply choose the backup we want to restore and then click next. It starts to decrypt and view backup data. First, it will verify account. Next, will decrypt WhatsApp backup data. Thereafter, it will generate viewable data. Once done, here it shows up our WhatsApp chats from backup with all the images, stickers, videos, audios, voice notes, links, and more. We can simply view WhatsApp backup from iCloud directly here and then restore to device or export to computer. Wow, that was really easy. We can not only view WhatsApp backup data from iCloud on computer but can also export them. That's a simply an awesome feature added to iToolab WatsGo that can be very useful for many of us. Well, we can not only restore WhatsApp backup data but can also recover WhatsApp data using iToolab WatsGo. So now let's know how to recover WhatsApp view once messages. See, here I have WhatsApp on iPhone which has a chat with view once messages. Now if we miss it in one go, we can't see the images again. Well, in this situation we will be using iToolab WatsGo recover WhatsApp view once messages feature. And for that, here we are back on iToolab WatsGo. Now click recovery. Here click recover WhatsApp view once messages. Now we will be required to connect WhatsApp using this QR code, and for that simply follow these steps. Once our WhatsApp gets connected, it starts to scan for view one's WhatsApp messages and boom. Here we have all the three images that we had just viewed on our iPhone WhatsApp. Wow, is not that amazing feature to have? Well, there is so much more we can do with iToolab WatsGo. So let me know in comments which feature of iToolab WatsGo you want me to cover in future videos. I will highly recommend you all to try out iToolab WatsGo. Wanna try? Then simply find the links in the description and pinned comment. That's what I had for today. Hope you found this useful and got value. If yes, let me know by smashing that like button. Also, if you are new to development engineers, don't forget to subscribe for more useful content like this and hit bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video. Got a second-hand iPhone that is updated to latest iOS and is stuck on iPhone lock to owner. Now you are looking to bypass iCloud activation lock. Looking to transfer WhatsApp from Android to iPhone, but official move to iOS not working for you? If yes, this video is for you.